Have you ever wondered why some animals hibernate? Picture a sleepy bear or a drowsy hedgehog tucked away in a hidden burrow. This is hibernation, a fascinating state of inactivity and metabolic depression that many endotherms, or warm-blooded animals, undergo. It's a period where their body temperatures drop, breathing slows, and metabolic rates decrease significantly. It's almost as if they're pressing pause on their bodily functions. Intriguing, isn't it? But why do animals hibernate? You might be surprised to know that hibernation serves a very important purpose. You see, animals don't just hibernate because they fancy a long, cozy snooze. No, they hibernate for survival. It's their way of outsmarting the harsh conditions that winter brings. The main reason animals hibernate is to conserve energy when food becomes scarce. Imagine trying to find a meal when everything is buried under a thick blanket of snow. By slowing down their metabolism, animals are able to lower their energy needs and survive using their stored fat reserves. This is akin to living off the pantry when you can't go out for groceries. A pretty smart strategy, wouldn't you say? Moreover, there's the added advantage of protection. By hibernating, animals can stay safe and hidden from predators that are still active in the winter months. So hibernation is not just a long nap, it's a survival strategy. Now let's delve into the fascinating process of hibernation. Hibernation is a remarkable process, a survival strategy that many animals employ when the going gets tough, specifically during the bitter cold of winter when food becomes scarce. But how does this process unfold, you might ask? Well, the preparation for hibernation starts in the fall. Animals, such as bears, squirrels, and bats, begin to eat more than usual. It's a bit like they're at an all-you-can-eat buffet, except the buffet lasts several weeks. This increased food intake helps them to store fat. Now, this isn't just any ordinary fat. It's a special energy-packed fat that will sustain them throughout their long winter's nap. As the cold weather sets in, these animals find a safe and cozy spot to hunker down. This could be a burrow, a den, or even a hollow tree. Once they're settled in, the real magic of hibernation begins. Their body temperature drops dramatically. For instance, a hibernating bear's body temperature can plummet by more than 20 degrees. This is a bit like turning down the thermostat to save energy during a long vacation. And this drop in body temperature isn't the only change. The animal's heart rate slows down, often to just a fraction of its normal speed. Breathing rates decrease too, sometimes to as few as 1 breath every 5 minutes. All these changes help the animal conserve energy. This energy, stored as fat during the fall, is used sparingly to keep the animal alive during the harsh winter months. These animals are essentially living off their fat reserves, like living off a savings account. But unlike us dipping into our savings, this process is meticulously regulated. The animals wake up occasionally to eat, drink, and eliminate waste before going back to their deep sleep. It's a cycle designed for survival, a testament to the resilience of these creatures. Isn't it amazing how nature has its own ways of ensuring survival? Now that we understand why and how animals hibernate, let's look at some examples. First up, we have the iconic hibernators, the bears. Bears are known for their long winter sleep. They live off their stored fat during these months when food is hard to come by. And no, they don't use the woods as their restroom during this time. Next, we have bats. Bats are unique in that they hibernate in huge numbers and can slow their heart rate down to a staggering 10 beats per minute, a truly remarkable adaptation to survive the cold. And then we have the charming hedgehogs. These spiky creatures hibernate in nests made of leaves and grass, their body temperature dropping dramatically to match the outside temperature. Hibernation is indeed a fascinating survival mechanism. These animals, among many others, hibernate to survive the harsh conditions when food is scarce and the environment is too harsh. There you have it, the fascinating world of hibernation. It's an incredible survival strategy, allowing animals to conserve energy and protect themselves during periods of food scarcity and harsh conditions. From the smallest insects to large mammals, hibernation is nature's way of helping creatures endure and thrive. Remember, nature is full of surprises. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe, like, and share. Stay curious and keep exploring the wonders of the natural world.